To use the equal X and equal Y grading tools, first give the grading values for the next size larger than the base size. Then click the equal X or equal Y tool to apply the same values to the other sizes. Please note, these tools will only equal the values given in the next larger size. A more flexible option is the Equal All tool. Enter X and Y grading values for any size, then right-click the size and choose Equal All. The system applies both the X and Y values for every other size. Another way to apply the same grade rule to all sizes is to click and drag in either the X or Y column from the smallest size to the largest size. Enter the grading value, then hit Enter on the keyboard. The same value is automatically applied to every size.